What's up, Globetrotters? I bet you didn't know how much Rome has to offer. Well, we're about to embark on a Roman adventure. We're talking gladiators, emperors, pasta, pizza, the whole shebang. We're going deep, unearthing the soul of Rome, one cobblestone at a time. Get ready for epic views that'll make you feel like you're soaring over the Colosseum. We're talking mouth-watering food markets, stunning architecture, and hidden alleyways bursting with stories. This is your ultimate guide to experiencing Rome like a true local. So buckle up, grab your passports, and let's dive headfirst into the heart of the Eternal City. Alright guys, first up, the big one, the OG, the one and only Colosseum. This iconic structure is not just a monument, it's a time machine that takes you back to the days of ancient Rome. Imagine standing here, where emperors once watched epic battles unfold. This place is straight out of a history book, only it's 1,000 times more impressive in real life. The sheer size and grandeur of the Colosseum are mind-blowing. Every stone here has a story to tell, from the intricate carvings to the towering arches. Imagine, 80,000 screaming Romans, gladiators battling it out, the roar of the crowd. This was the epicenter of entertainment, Roman style. The energy must have been electric, with the crowd's cheers echoing through the arena as warriors fought for glory and survival. Walking through the tunnels, you can almost hear the clash of swords, the roar of the lions. These passageways were once filled with the sounds of preparation and anticipation, as gladiators readied themselves for the fight of their lives. You've got to imagine the sheer scale of this place, the engineering genius it took to build it. The Colosseum is a marvel of ancient engineering, with its complex system of elevators and trapdoors that added to the spectacle. This wasn't just a stadium, it was a symbol of Rome's power and might. The Colosseum stood as a testament to the empire's architectural prowess and its ability to entertain and control the masses. Make sure you spend some time just soaking it all in. Sit down, take a moment, and let the history wash over you. Feel the weight of the centuries and the countless stories that have unfolded here. Picture the gladiators marching out, the emperor presiding over the games. The Colosseum was a place where life and death played out in front of an audience, a stage for the ultimate drama. This is where history comes alive, people. Every corner of the Colosseum has a tale to tell, from the gladiators' quarters to the emperor's box. It's a living museum that offers a glimpse into the past. And hey, don't forget to snap a selfie. You can't come to Rome and not get a photo with the Colosseum. Capture the moment and take a piece of history home with you. This is one for the books, folks. Next stop, Vatican City. Nestled within the bustling city of Rome, Vatican City is a unique enclave that stands as the spiritual and administrative heart of the Roman Catholic Church. This tiny country within a city is a must-see for its sheer beauty and historical significance. Despite its small size, Vatican City is packed with some of the most iconic landmarks and treasures in the world. We're talking about the heart of the Catholic Church, home to the Pope, and some of the most incredible art and architecture on the planet. St. Peter's Basilica, with its awe-inspiring dome designed by Michelangelo, dominates the skyline and is a marvel of Renaissance architecture. First up, the Vatican Museums. These museums are a treasure trove of art and history, housing an extensive collection that spans centuries and continents. Get ready to be blown away by masterpieces from Michelangelo, Raphael, and Leonardo da Vinci. Each piece tells a story, capturing the essence of different eras and artistic movements. It's like walking through an art history textbook, but 1,000 times more vibrant and awe-inspiring. The galleries are filled with sculptures, tapestries, and paintings that will leave you in awe. And the highlight? The Sistine Chapel. This sacred space is renowned for its stunning ceiling painted by Michelangelo. Michelangelo's ceiling will leave you speechless. It's a masterpiece of biblical proportions. The intricate details and vibrant colors make it one of the greatest artistic achievements in history. Remember, this is a sacred place, so dress respectfully and be prepared for crowds, especially during peak season. The atmosphere is one of reverence and awe, adding to the overall experience. But trust me, it's worth every minute. The sense of history and spirituality is palpable, making every moment spent here unforgettable. The Vatican is a testament to the power of art, faith, and human creativity, a place that will stay with you long after you've left. As the sun sets and the lights come on, the city takes on a magical glow, leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. We're stepping back in time, folks, to the heart of ancient Rome, the Roman Forum. This sprawling complex of ruins was once the bustling center of Roman life, Think government buildings, temples, markets, the works. Now it's a hauntingly beautiful reminder of the grandeur that once was. Imagine walking the same streets as Julius Caesar, debating politics in the Senate, or offering sacrifices at the Temple of Saturn. It's like stepping onto a movie set, but this is the real deal, folks. Take your time exploring the ruins, reading the plaques, and letting your imagination run wild. This is where history comes alive. You can practically hear the echoes of chariot wheels on cobblestone streets, feel the energy of the crowds, and sense the power of the Roman Empire. Chapter 4. Trevi Fountain. Get your coins ready. We're heading to the Trevi Fountain, one of the most iconic fountains in the world. This Baroque masterpiece is a sight to behold, with its cascading water, intricate sculptures, and the constant buzz of tourists hoping to catch a glimpse of its beauty. Legend has it that tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain guarantees your return to Rome. Now, who wouldn't want to come back to this magical city? But be warned, it's not as easy as it looks. With crowds swarming the fountain, you'll need to channel your inner sharpshooter to make that wish-fulfilling toss. The best time to visit? Early morning or late at night, when the crowds are thinner, and you can truly appreciate the magic of this place. Trust me, it's worth losing a little sleep for. Chapter 5. The Spanish Steps. Let's be honest, Rome is all about those picture-perfect moments, and the Spanish Steps? They're like a photographer's dream. This iconic staircase, gracefully cascading down to the Piazza di Spagna, is a must-see for any visitor. But it's not just about the photo op. The Spanish Steps are a hub of activity, a place to people-watch, soak up the atmosphere, and maybe even enjoy a gelato while you're at it. Grab a seat, relax, and watch the world go by. Chapter 6. The Pantheon. Prepare to have your mind blown, guys, because the Pantheon is not your average building. This isn't just another ancient structure, it's a testament to the brilliance of Roman engineering and architectural innovation. This architectural marvel has stood the test of time, surviving for over 2,000 years. Imagine the countless generations that have walked through its grand entrance, each one marveling at its grandeur. Think about that for a second. 2,000 years. Through wars, natural disasters, and the passage of time, the Pantheon remains a beacon of human ingenuity. And the craziest part? That dome, it's still the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world. The sheer scale and precision of its construction are mind-boggling. Step inside and you'll be greeted by this incredible beam of light streaming through the oculus, that circular opening at the top. This isn't just a design choice, it's a masterpiece of engineering that allows natural light to illuminate the interior. It's like a direct connection to the heavens, a symbol of Rome's ingenuity and architectural prowess. The light shifts throughout the day, creating a dynamic and almost spiritual experience for visitors. Take your time to wander around, soaking in the atmosphere. Every corner of the Pantheon tells a story, from its grand columns to the intricate details of its interior. Look up, look down, look all around. There's so much detail to appreciate here. The craftsmanship is unparalleled, and each element has been meticulously designed and preserved. This is a building that will make you think, make you feel, and make you appreciate the power of human creativity. The Pantheon isn't just a relic of the past. It's a living, breathing testament to what humanity can achieve when we push the boundaries of what's possible. Chapter 7. Trastevere. Get ready to get lost, guys, because we're heading to Trastevere, one of Rome's most charming and authentic neighborhoods. This is where you come to escape the tourist crowds and experience the real heart of Roman life. Imagine cobblestone streets lined with ivy-covered buildings, colorful markets overflowing with fresh produce, and cozy trattorias serving up traditional Roman cuisine. This is Trastevere, a feast for the senses. Spend an afternoon getting lost in the labyrinthine streets, stumbling upon hidden piazzas and discovering local artisan shops. This is where you'll find those unique souvenirs, those one-of-a-kind pieces that will remind you of your Roman adventure. Chapter 8. Piazza Navona. Get ready to be wowed by the Piazza Navona, one of Rome's most beautiful and vibrant squares. This place is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture, with its stunning fountains, grand palazzos, and lively atmosphere. Take a stroll around the square, admiring the intricate details of the fountains, the grandeur of the surrounding buildings, and the energy of the street performers. This is a place where you can truly feel the pulse of Roman life. Chapter 9. Castel Sant'Angelo. We're climbing high above the city, guys, to the Castel Sant'Angelo, a towering fortress with a history as dramatic as its views. This ancient mausoleum-turned-fortress has seen it all. Emperors, popes, sieges, you name it. Today it's one of Rome's most popular attractions, and for good reason. The views from the top are simply breathtaking, offering panoramic vistas of the entire city. Trust me, you haven't truly seen Rome until you've seen it from up here. Chapter 10. Gelato. Alright guys, let's talk about the important stuff. Gelato. No trip to Rome is complete without indulging in this creamy, dreamy Italian treat. This isn't your average ice cream, this is gelato, and it's a whole different ballgame. From classic flavors like pistachio and hazelnut, to more adventurous options like ricotta and fig, or even basil and lemon, there's a gelato flavor out there for everyone. Trust me, you'll want to try them all. Outro, Arrivederci, Roma. So there you have it, Globetrotters, your Roman adventure awaits. From ancient ruins to stunning art, from bustling piazzas to charming neighborhoods, Rome has something for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and keep globetrotting.